was in a club, they see me in the pub anyway. She saw me like a beacon, brighter than a light, and she was tweaking, running through the streets want me. Hey everyone, this is your boy JWig's cooking at home tutorial, you feel me, of my macaroni pie, the special creamy cheesy macaroni pie, man. So right here, I was working on the cream. You know, the cream is basically done at this point. You know, sorry I didn't record everything about the cream, but basically just heavy cream, flour, and butter. You want to start with butter, flour, and heavy cream. Then you got the chopped up onions, chopped up garlic, toss that in there, and you start slowly working on it while the fire is on low. Make sure the fire is on low while you're working on this. This is like the foundation of the whole macaroni pie. This is like the when you make a cake, I guess you could say this is like the eggs and the flavoring to the cake. You feel me? And yeah, this is what this is. So yeah, I'm already done with the whole cream and stuff. So now when I'm done with all of that, I added a lot of cheese because this macaroni pie I made is my second macaroni pie I've ever made, and I wanted to make this one very, very cheesy. So because the first one I made was less cheesy, so I wanted to focus more on that one. Oh, you see me going crazy, going stupid, you feel me? Slap, you feel me? Yeah, I'm going crazy on this. Right here, this took a lot of arm strength, a lot of power, you know. Slap, you feel me? But yeah, I was going crazy. You could see my arms getting a little bit stronger. It was really worth it, man. The gym workout I got out of this, slap, was really nice, you feel me? So anyway, this is just me mixing around the cheese, making sure it all melts out, it all works well. Yeah, I'm really going crazy. Not gonna hold you. This is wild. Yeah, my arm. You know what? It all makes sense. With your arm hurting like that, I don't even blame you, other me. But look, right here, you really gotta blend out the cheese. Now, I've made a mistake, and the last time I taste tested it, which was really bad, was when I finished making the cream. The cream is, you know, the flour, butter, onions, garlic, heavy cream, and stuff like that, and seasoning. But I don't remember the seasoning by heart, but I added seasoning, and it was all great. You feel me? It tasted great. But when I started adding the cheese after, I assumed that the cheese wouldn't really take away that flavor that I worked so hard to create, and it did, which sucks, you know. But I'll keep it in mind for next time to always taste test when you're adding any type of value, because you know anything you add can definitely change it. And it will change because it's typically not the same thing that it was before. It's kind of like science when you, I'm not going to get into that, but you get what I mean when I say science, you know, chem class and all that stuff. But yeah, I mean, shoot, cooking is science. But yeah, so I'm just trying to make sure I get the pasta all mixed in with the cheese I've created. The sauce, the texture, everything like that I've created. I'm trying to get the pasta to really mix in well with the whole thing. That way I can start getting ready to put it in a container and get it ready for the oven.
Hold up, this is for y'all real quick. This is that guapa. I'm a daddy. I'm out here saying hello. Alright, bro, so I'm not gonna hold you. I'm actually pretty amazed. This is actually, wow. It's outdoing itself. Holy, my hands hurt though. I feel like my knuckles are about to lock.
Alright, yo, so we finna make that breaded cheese. This is that cheddar, sharp cheddar. Oh man, one already takes up too much. This sucks. I need a bigger bowl. Look, we either go big or we... Oh, dang it. I was gonna say we either go big or we go home or something like that, but that just sounds stupid. The fact that I repeated it. Anyway,
I'm just gonna use 2 bowls, like I did with the macaroni anyway. The pasta, as they call it. So we're gonna do some panko. I think I was supposed to put the panko first. So let's fix that up actually. I was supposed to put the panko first, so I'm trying to make that breadcrumb cheese. So we're gonna put this in that. Alright, let's go. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put the rest in this. Move this over. I'm probably move my cup. Boom, put this here. Boom, give it space. And the rest of this should fit right inside this perfectly. Okay, it's a little low. Hopefully that's not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna use my knife, my trusty knife, to slice off the rest like butter. Slice off the rest like butter. And then use this again. And then, oops, my phone just says that it's dying. But anyway, it's gonna be very low. I don't know if that's bad, but at least it's like a test. This could be like a test, like how does macaroni pie do when it's low, like really low? Because this one's thick. So then how is this one gonna do as a low pie? And then we're gonna make our panko cheddar cheese thing. So, oh man, this is gonna be an amazing dish. So we just popped the 2 of them in. Well, I just took them out, and I'm a little nervous because the topping looks like oily from the melting of the cheese, and then the other one looks like totally dry, like it was barely like melted because of the amount of panko breading there was. So I'm just about to try and see what happens. I have to do this taste test because I want to make sure that the people that try this are in good hands and have nothing to worry about when they try my food. And this is the soggy one. I'm just hoping that, look, this has been in the oven for 30 minutes, and if the cheese, look, science and whatever, look, this cheese melted-ish. I'm guessing that the cheddar is just very like, the cheddar itself is just very like, is just not like that. I don't know. I'm about to check right now. Whoa. No way. That was beautiful. I'm actually gonna cry. Okay, this is the wet one. The wet topping. Okay, this one's very cheesier than the other one. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a taste test. Alright, so I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna try the one that looks like the cheese on the topping barely like cooked or melted. I'm gonna try that one first. Okay. God bless his food. Just name amen. Wow, this is actually really good. Let me try the panko topping, because like I thought the reason why the cheese didn't really melt that well is because the panko took over. Wow, yeah, I can taste it. Like the cheese, it didn't really melt because the panko, I guess I put too much panko. Alright, so I came to a realization that basically it wasn't really the panko, it was the cheddar cheese itself. It actually had a bittery taste because sharp cheddar runs like that.
especially if there's a lot amount of it, it runs pretty bitter. So it wasn't really the panko. It was just the cheddarness of the cheese. But that is a preference thing. Some people like that. I personally was like surprised by that taste. And you know, that's it. Just clarifying that.
Alright, let's try the small one with the soggy topping. Less panko. Alright. Wow, these are both good, but I can't help but think that like it might have been better off without the panko. Like, cause look, I don't understand that the topping is not melt. It didn't melt because of the panko, and then the panko is like it's not nasty, but it has a strange flavor to it. But that's all.
I can never really mess with sources like that. They just tryna get me and my feelings so sad.